The personal satisfaction I get from this is seeing that as a result of cases I have brought, manufacturers have changed what they have done. As a result of, for example, cases against lawn tractor manufacturers for not putting on rollover protective systems on their machines, I have had manufacturers now add them as standard equipment. That makes me feel good, real good.
He's very dedicated. Oh, he works for his clients for sure. I mean, it's not like he's your typical man that is out for the paycheck. You could tell that he puts a lot of his heart into it, his soul.
I would describe John as a very hardworking, dedicated man who wants to provide the very best possible legal help for any of his clients.
A very professional, caring person. He definitely works for his clients.
He is very passionate. When he is working with somebody, he believes in helping them and making things better in this world.
I guess just to briefly describe him, he lives for his work.